That aroma diffuser you bought is probably sitting in a drawer right now. You lit it up twice, wondered if it even does anything, and gave up. Here is the honest truth. Used the wrong way, a diffuser is a waste of money. Used right, it earns its spot. Experts say run one for just 30 to 60 minutes a session, not all day. So let us go through what a diffuser really does, the pros, the honest cons, and how to use one right. First, what it even is. A diffuser spreads natural essential oil scent into the air. No fire, no smoke, no chemicals. There are 4 types, but the modern pick is waterless, and ours is the waterless kind. Pure oil, no water tank, no mold. Now the pros. Pro 1, it can calm you and help you sleep. A 2022 review of 11 trials, 628 adults found lavender before bed improves sleep quality. This is real if modest. Pro 2, it freshens the air. It lays a clean scent over cooking smells and monsoon-damp across the whole room. Pro 3, waterless and portable. No water tank, so nothing grows mold, and you can set the 1, 2, or 3 hour timer and forget it. Pro 4, it sets the mood. Sandalwood for pooja, a warm scent for guests, peppermint for focus during exam season. But here is where most videos stop, so let us be honest about the cons. Con 1, comfort, not a cure. Johns Hopkins says there is not enough research to prove essential oils treat any medical condition. It will not cure a cold or fix anxiety, it just makes the space nicer. Con 2, oil cost and scent fatigue. Budget roughly 200 to 400 rupees a month if you diffuse daily and your nose stops noticing a scent you smell all the time. Con 3, toxic to cats. Cats lack the liver enzyme to break down oils like tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint. If you have a cat, avoid those oils or run it in a room the cat cannot enter. Con 4, one room only. A small diffuser covers about 20 to 50 square meters, and running it non-stop over an hour can cause headaches. So how do you use one right? Use just 3 to 5 drops, not a flood, because more oil just gives you a headache. Use the timer, 30 to 60 minutes is plenty, do not run it all night. Match the speed to the room, low for a bedroom, higher for a hall. Keep the oil's pets safe and place it a meter from your face on a steady surface. And wipe the oil nozzle every 2 to 4 weeks so the scent stays strong. Here is the honest bottom line. A diffuser is not medicine and it is not magic. It is a comfort tool. Used right, it quietly earns its spot on your shelf. The full guide and our waterless diffuser are linked below.